This is a quick overview of Heritage Tech Farms. When you first log into your account, you'll see the list of your farms in the farm section here. You can go in and create a farm using the Create a Farm button here on the top right. You'll be able to create a polygon with the area that you're interested in. Once you create your polygon, you can click the Continue button and it'll show you different filters that you can add to your farm. Once you do that, you can click the Get Count button and it will process the records and show you how many records are available in the area that you chose. And you can go in and choose to import all of the records or just a few. You can decide what number of records you want to import. And then you can name your farm, and once you do that, it'll save it under the farm section along with the other ones. You can also go in and import a farm. So if we click here, you'll see that there's a download sample layout, which is the layout that is needed in order to import your farms correctly. Once you have your layout and your file, you can go in and select it and click Import Your Farm, and again it will be added along with the others in the list. So each farm has a share button here on the right, and if you click on it, you'll be able to see all the actions that you can apply to your farm. You can rename your farm, download a CSV file, a spreadsheet format, download a CoreFact file, which is CoreFact friendly and you can use on their website. You can email a farm, print labels, print reports, do mail merges, and match email addresses, which will pull any available email addresses from your farm and add them to your address book. Once you have your farm in here, you can click on the farm name and you'll be able to see the stats for your farm. And on the left here, you'll see the micro farms menu, which will show you all of the filters that are within your farm. So you can click on these and your farm will be filtered by those tabs. And you'll see all the information in there. And then here at the bottom, you'll see the premium data section, which if you click that, it expands, and you'll see all the premium data filters. So you can click on any one of those, and if there's any available data, it will show here. It'll show you how many records are available, and if you want to download all of them, you can go in and filter by all of these filters, and you'll be able to click the Get Records button, and that will download the data and put it in this same tab that you're in. And that it works that way for all of them except for the emails. So if we click on the emails, you'll get the match email addresses link, which you can click on that and it'll show you how many emails are available to license. And you can choose how many you want to license. Just click the Get Records and those will get added to your address book. So if we go back to the farms, you also have the option to delete a farm, so you just select the farm that you want to delete and then click the Delete button. Moving on to the marketing section, if we click on that, the first thing that you'll see is the campaign history. So this will show you all of the previous e-letters or e-campaigns that have been assigned to your contacts from your address book, and you'll be able to see the stats here for those, which campaigns have been more successful, which have had the best read rates, all of that. And you can go in and manage your e-campaigns and your e-letters. So the difference between those two is basically a campaign is a group of e-letters that can be assigned at one time, and the system will take care of sending them out on whatever date is specified on there. So as an example, we have the holiday cards, which have an e-letter for every major holiday, and you can assign that today, and then the system will just send out whichever card is next for whichever holiday falls next. And then the e-letters, if we click on that, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of default e-letters in the system that are ready to send. So the e-letters are single emails that you can send out whenever you like. And as you can see, there's quite a few e-letters in there, which you can also go in and modify if you like. So we have the manage e-groups. So basically what you can do is the contacts in your address book can be sorted by groups, and this is the place where you manage them. You can add groups to add your contacts in. You can go and view the campaign history, which is the first screen that I showed you here in the marketing, where you can see the stats and the previously assigned campaigns and e-letters. And then we have the print letter section, which is a mail merge letters, which these are the ones that are used when doing mail merges for your farm. So these are actual letters that you can print out and send to your farm. And this is a place where you can go in and edit them or create new letters. You can click on the letter name and you'll be able to edit it. As you can see, it's all editable text. And then you can also add a new letter as well. And then you have the heat maps, which will show you the properties by the price range. And at the bottom here you'll have the legend, which shows you what color is which price range for the properties. So moving on to the profile section. In this section you can go in and type in an address. You can do a search for a property profile by address, by APN, or by owner. And when you do that, it'll show you the property that you search for here in the map, and any possible matches that match that address. So you can, once you do that, you can go in and pull your property profile, and you can save it, and it will show up here at the bottom with any other saved property profiles that you pull. You're also able to print that profile by clicking on the print icon, and you can also save it, like I mentioned. You can save it and it'll be saved here in this section. So moving on to the settings, this is where you can go in and edit your personal configuration for your account. So this is, you can go in and modify the company information, your business phone, your address, all of that info, and this, whatever information is in here is what will be sent out whenever you send out your e-letters or your e-campaigns, and also your merge letters. So any information that is in here, that's what's going to show up as your contact information in those places. You can also go in and edit your logo and picture here by clicking on this button. And then you can upload your picture or update it. If you want to, you can just delete that and then upload a new one. And then lastly, we have the help section, which has 3 sections. You have the FAQ, which of course is a frequently asked questions section. We have the video training, which will show video trainings for Heritage Tech Farm, and we'll be adding new videos all the time in there. And then we also have the contact us section, which you can click on that and send us an email with any questions, or if you need assistance, you can contact us through there. So this has been a quick overview for Heritage Tech Farm. Let us know if you have any questions, and that's it. Thank you.